Hello friends, in this series of Java tutorial, today we will study about the variables and data types in Java. Java variables. So as we all know what is variable. So variable are the name of memory location that will store some particular information, or we can say it work as a container that hold the value while the program is executing. A variable is assigned with a data type. Name variable is a name of memory location. As we can see in this figure, these A, B and C, these three are the variable. So these three blocks are not storing the A, B and C. The name of these memory blocks are A, B and C, and these particular memory blocks contain some information that will be initialized with the help of these A, B and C. Whenever we execute any program, then that particular program will allocate memory in RAM. In the RAM, it contains two types of memory, one for the instruction and second for the data or information. So here we are studying about the variables. So these three blocks are indicating about the variables. So here A, B and C are the name of these particular memory blocks that consumes some memory in RAM, and these memory blocks may contain some information that will be initialized by the user. So variables not contains any value. Variables are the memory location name. So variables are not containing any information. Instead of it, variables are the name of particular memory location. That particular memory location may contain some information or data that may be initialized by the user or developer. There are three types of variables in Java: local variable, instance variable and static variable. So what is local variable? A variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. We can use this variable only within that particular method, and the other methods in the class are not even aware that variable exists. A local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. Second one is the instance variable. So a variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called instance variable. So what I am saying to you, the variable which is declared inside the class body but outside the function body is called instance variable. It is called instance variable because its value is instance specific and it is not shared among instances. Third one is the static variable. So a variable which is declared as static is called static variable. It cannot be local. So we can create a single copy of static variable and share among all the instances of the class. Memory locations for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory basically. So here we can see that what are the differences between the local, instance and static variables. So here we can clearly see that what is the difference between local, instance and static variable. Local variable will declare inside the body of the method and we can use these variables only within this method, and instance variable declared inside the class body but it should be outside the body of the method or function, that will be called as instance variable, and static variable is declared as a static is called static variable. It means it is declared with the help of static keyword. So we can create a single copy of static variable and share among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory basically. Now the second difference is that we cannot define this local variable and instance variable with the help of static keyword. We cannot use this static to declare local and instance variable, but and the static variable cannot be local variable. So here these are the differences between these three variables. Now we will see one example of these three variables in the program. Here I have created one small program that will show you how we can declare these variables in Java. So here one class with the name of A I have declared, and in this class body I have written these variables or declared these variables. So first I have declared instance variable, that is that you can clearly see that it is declared inside the class body but outside this method body. What we have studied just now, that instance variable should be in class body, so it is declaring in this class A that will end here, but this function that has name method is not containing this instance variable. This instance variable is outside the body of this function. After that we have declared static variable m with the help of this static keyword. So we can declare it in the inside the class body with the help of this keyword, and in this method that is also known as function, here in this function that has name method. So here in this function that has name method we declared one local variable. So when this function will execute, and after execution this function will release memory, and with this function this variable n will also release its memory, or we can say it will be destroyed from the memory. So this n variable has existence only inside this method function. So these are the Java variables. If you have any doubt in the Java variables topic, so still if you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, then please go to the comment section and ask the questions about your queries. And if you like this video, then please like and share, and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.